What can I say? We love key lime pie from Panama City Beach, Cocoa Beach, Clearwater, everything in between, frozen pies, grocery chain, bakery pies. We've tried them all. And we figured on this trip to Key West, we would try a couple of the big ones that we've heard on our search for the best key lime pie. And we did find it. Stay tuned to the end to see who it was.
Ooh, that looks good too. Y'all supposed to have the best key lime, so let me get just one slice of key lime pie.
Okay, we have it with whipped cream, meringue, plain chocolate, or chocolate with whipped cream.
With whipped cream.
Whipped cream?
Yep. Should try it. I guess. Let's go try it. Alright, so there it is. And reading these things on the side, I feel like I should have got the meringue one. Just because it says the meringue is the conch version, which is conch meaning
You're moving it all over the place.
Sorry. Don't get sick with this. You guys can't eat this.
Then you said we need the whipped cream. I'll buy the whipped cream seed. Is it dog approved? No. Dog approved?
No. How's the whipped cream?
It's got a slight key lime flavor.
Yeah, the whipped cream does?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right. Your first bite. There's more of the key lime concierge.
And remember, if it's green, it's not key lime pie. Key lime juice is not green.
That is true. That means they put some kind of dye in it.
That's very good. Of course, this is the first one that we're having today.
Wow.
Very creamy.
Very creamy. You can, very strong lime taste. Like fresh lime. You know, like real lime. Alright, so I did not get the video of when I went into the store just because it was hot and the camera was charging up in the vehicle when I ran out. So this is from the Key Lime Pie Company that's located on Greene Street in Key West. They say on the sign at the door they're the place, the home of the original Key Lime Pie, but I don't know. April already took a bite of it, and out of 10?
No. I'd say it's a 9 out of 10. It's definitely the best key lime pie that I've tasted, but I've never had. It tastes like it's baked, and I've never had a baked key lime pie before. So it's definitely on a level that's much different than any key lime pie I've had. But I like it better so far.
And I don't know, according to their site, it's like a legacy hand-making 100-year-old recipe. Fresh daily using natural ingredients, real key lime juice, and handmade graham cracker crust. You could get a couple different things. I did get the coconut cream pie too, just to try. But, hey, April likes key lime pie. We've eaten it at many different places all over Florida. Probably even out of Florida, but I don't know. And so far, this is the best place that, the best key lime. Alright, so I was not going to talk about their coconut pie, but man, that is so good. So on the top, a lot of toasted coconut, yummy. The inside is not the typical like a meringue, it's like a whipped cream, which was really good. And then this filling, it's
Custardy.
like a coconut custard. It's so tasty. Would you get the key lime or you get this?
You get one of each.
One of each.
Or two of each.
Yeah, that is really good. So if you're gonna stop at the key lime company to get the key lime, which is, I take a bite of it, the best key lime pie that I've tasted, we've tasted, well, anywhere in Florida for sure, anywhere period I'd say, and definitely, in our opinion, #1 pick for key lime and in the Keys. Definitely try their coconut pie. That is bang.
If they combine the two, that would be excellent. Key lime pie or coconut.
Oh, yeah.
Key lime pie.
Put the lime in the coconut. Yes. If you guys watch that, y'all should try to create one like that. Key lime pie mixed with their coconut pie. Alright, thanks for watching.